asked for. This might make people annoyed at me for asking this question, but I'm going to do it anyway. For people sitting like way in the back, could you just like come to the front a little bit?
Yay!
Oh, cool, sweet. Yeah, anyone just like, yeah, make it a little more cozy up in this theater. Yeah, there it is. Okay, everybody, even in person way in the back. Yeah, take a group then. There we go. Sweet.
Yeah, do it.
I just want everyone to feel like, yeah, if they want to jump in, inspired to play. People who've already played, feel free to jump on as another opportunity to play. However, I do have a question. I know most people here are improvisers, but if you've never improvised before, could you raise your hand if you've never done improv ever, if you're not an improviser?
We all did it.
So everyone's did it. Alright, so everyone's done before. I saw you raise your hand really quickly and put it down. Alright, here's the deal. For non-improvisers, I think everyone can improvise, and I say this delicately. For some people who've never done improv before, I think improv, this is what I'm saying delicately, is that improv is just adults playing pretend, right? Would you say that? It's really all it is. I know there's, for improvisers who've trained and have gone through lots of schooling, there's more to it, but I think ultimately, and I've only been doing it for 15 years, I've just come to the conclusion that it's just adults playing pretend, that's all it is. So, if you feel inspired to play pretend at any point, jump on stage. And I promise, people sitting up front, I won't spit on you. I know I'm like spitting continuously. I'm seeing it in the stage lights, but anyway. Last question I have. If I've never done improv comedy with you ever, which I think is pretty much everyone in this room, could you raise your hand if I've never done improv comedy?
We're all new to you.
Yeah, everyone's new.
Everyone.
I love that when everyone's completely new. Could just one person, just one who raised their hand, preferably maybe we haven't been on stage yet tonight. If you have, it's okay. But I want to give first dibs to someone who's not been on stage yet tonight. Could that one person join me on stage?
Go ticket person, yeah!
I know you were taking tickets and we met really briefly. What was your name again? Mark, cool. Give it to Mark real quick. Mark, I know we talked a little bit about this. Have you done improv comedy before?
Yes.
Yeah. You take classes here at the improv shop. Oh, sweet. Oh, that's right. You said you were taking a little bit of a hiatus because you started college, and so, dude, you're getting back into it tonight, man. That's all.
Wasn't expecting it, but feels good.
Hell yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Mark. Well, that brings me to my next question. Are you cool doing a little bit of improv comedy with me right now?
Yes.
Yes! That's the hardest part. It really is. But here's the deal, Mark. If you don't want to be on stage anymore, if you're like, oh, this is stupid and lame, I don't want to be up here anymore, or you're not gonna get that. But if like you just don't like what's going on, feel free to sit down, or yeah, you don't have to sit here. You okay, cool. However, now that Mark is on stage, once we get started, if you feel inspired to jump into the set, like if you're like, oh, it'd be cool if this character was in this, feel free to follow that inspiration, and then we'll make it work. We'll try to make it work. So the last thing that Mark and I need to get started are 3 different non-geographic locations. So for non-improviser, I mean like a library as opposed to Arkansas. So from this side, can I get a non-geographic location?
Spaceship.
Ooh, I heard spaceship. Super cool. From over here, can I get a non-geographic location?
Art museum.
Art museum?
Yeah.
Cool, spaceship, art museum. And then can I get just one more random non-geographic location from the cameraman?
Country road.
Country road. Oh, interesting. I like it. All right, Mark, I'm going to give you the power here between a spaceship, an art museum, or a country road. Which one of those 3 locations, worlds, would you like to play in? Art museum. Cool, sweet. Art museum it is. So remember, maybe give Mark and I a little bit of time to establish something. But again, if you feel inspired at any time to jump in, please feel free. Well, actually, when the lights come up, just to make that illusion even more.
You want me to play?
Yeah, lights down when they come up. Yeah.
Let's use those. That was easy. I told you I can't do this. There are too many of them. This is ridiculous. That work?
Yeah. Perfect. You're the artist of this, huh? Oh my God, it's beautiful.
Saw your work.
Yeah.
Perplexed.
All those things that seem such genius. How old are you? 12! 12! You know, I come to these art shows that are held in these museums so much, and I've never ever seen. So brilliant. And it's like a tie-dye with blues and reds and kitty cat face right there. It's interesting.
I wasn't going for anything too, I wasn't going for anything fresh or intellectual. I just wanted to be simple. I wanted to play true to what I am.
And what is that?
12-year-old puppy. See, they call it that's Captain Underpants. Yeah.
Quite familiar with Captain Underpants.
Yes.
My God. Say, are you selling this? What's that now?
If you want it, you can have it free. You don't get it.
I understand. I'm a very wealthy man, and I could give you anything you want. I mean, this piece, I'm gonna hang it predominantly over my living room couch.
Do it for the joy of it, but if you must insist, I'll take all of it.
All of my money?
Sure. You wanted to make some perplexed, didn't you?
I want this really bad. You did say free, and then you said all of my money. Oh.
Maybe this is the art piece.
What's that?
Maybe this is the art piece.
What do you mean by that?
What we're doing right now.
You mean I'm part of the art now?
Yes.
Wow. Interesting. All right, I'll give you $100.
So much for that.
We also, I might, throughout this show, yell at little stage directions here or there. That's only to give more people opportunities to play. If you sit down when I yell at a stage direction, you can always jump back on. Keep that in mind. I only bring that up because this is one of those instances where I'm going to do that real fast. We cut to my house, my living room. You can sit down for a second. And then I have this painting. Let's put it here just to keep it staged out. And I'm admiring it. And then let's say someone who's my spouse comes on, and you can be whoever you want. But I've just like put this above the living room couch without even consulting you. Maybe you like it, maybe you don't. I don't know. But someone.
I'm trying so hard. All these
You don't have to turn them off every single time.
Thanks, man.
You guys keep them on from growing up.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
It's nice.
I was thinking about you. I was thinking about how you were the little kitty cat, I'm the little Captain Underpants, and together that's our love.
Yeah, love.
Yes.
Just a suggestion. Not trying to tell you how to live your crazy little art life.
Our crazy art life together
Uh-huh.
is a couple that loves each other.
Yeah.
What is it? Be honest with me.
Wouldn't it be better in the garage when whatever goes in?
Oh. I
That
see.
way we can admire it in private. We don't want anybody else to experience our joy.
I see. No, it's okay. No, you're not. I tried. Sorry.
Love this. The Reptar one from 3 weeks ago. Love that one too. It is great on the roof, facing up towards the sky. The aliens love it.
Mm-hmm.
Where are we gonna go here?
Yes, I get it. No, I understand. So I'll put this in the garage. It's private.
But only if you want to.
Right.
I'm not trying to tell you to live.
Right. We cut real quick to aliens in space. So I think we got that spaceship after all. So there's these aliens who are. So what that person said is very true. It'll be me and one person who hasn't been on stage yet to be another alien, and we're just kind of zipping through. Yes, you think the humans are trying to communicate with us? Are they aware of our presence?
Yes, I've seen some art pieces with really weird diagrams that look like us. They're not quite sure what we look like. Sometimes with long faces and sometimes we're green.
This is not good for us. We're supposed to not be observed by the humans. We are the one observing them.
I know, but sometimes I can't help but go into their restaurants.
You've been down there?
Yes, I've been down there.
Well, why am I just now knowing about this?
Oops.
You at least...
I was supposed to tell you, but no.
Wait a minute. When you say you've been on a date, it was in a restaurant with a human being.
Yes.
So you disguised yourself as a human being and it worked out?
Yes, I wasn't green.
We cut to her on a date with someone. I won't be in the scene, but I will do it unless someone son wants to be on a date with this alien. Let's say it's like a first date, and she's like a little alien off, but like you're kind of still like trying to figure it out. I'm not in the scene.
I'll be honest with you, I really haven't.
Oh, what kind of what?
I haven't had that much luck on J dates.
Jupiter date? oh, Jake, that, yeah, oh, okay. Are you supposed to eat your hair? It tastes so good, my hair.
Well, I'll be honest, you've got, I mean, you seem a lot more fascinating than some of the women I've gone out with.
Me, like, I've not been anywhere ever. I only live here in McDonald's.
Wow, I'm glad we have the same taste in fast food. Just like, people get, I've had so many people I've gone out with that I got disappointed when
What is this Wendy's?
Ooh, they have, they have cheeseburgers that are square shaped, and they have these basic chicken nuggets.
Square burgers!
Square burgers, yes.
Can we go there instead?
Just let me finish my Big Mac first, and yeah, we'll head right over. Yeah.
Okay.
We need
Wait.
Frosties.
What? Love Frosties. I don't know what they are.
Oh, there's these
Like-
chocolate shakes. They don't quite taste like chocolate.
I do not care about square burgers.
Other square. Why square?
You have to remember the mission.
Okay, certainly humans don't need me.
Look, Wanda, I know that you feel lonely at times, and that it's not fun being with your older brother.
It's not, but Mom and Dad stuck us on a stupid ship.
That's because Mom and Dad is a general, and Mom is also,
Generalist.
yes, they are commanders of the space fleet, and we have to do as they say. Now you have to listen to me, Wanda, and not go back down into Earth anymore, and make people aware of you.
You kids quit fighting up there!
Sorry, Father.
Sorry, Dad. I just want to go eat a square burger.
We got to the dad. He's like General Dad, whoever yelled that up. And then let's say one of his soldiers just like recruits.
Did I tell you to speak?
No, sir. I was just saying.
Did I say to speak?
No, sir.
Quit speaking!
I apologize, sir.
Stop speaking!
Yes, sir.
Okay, speak.
I was saying that maybe that your children need more tender love from you.
I don't think that's any of your business.
And just then the wife, generalist, walks on. Played by someone who hasn't been on stage yet. I am the son, that was correct, but I'm like a different elder brother's son, so what she said is true.
I'm trying to tell my stepson what an asshole he is talking about my true heirs.
He's been an asshole always, we know this.
Yes,
I've not this frosty from Wendy's yet.
yes, but I bit the corners off the burger so that they would be round. I'm going to smack your son now.
Get him harder next time.
How do you feel about my children now?
I
didn't tell you to speak.
yes, sir.
Now you can speak.
I do not mean to.
Shut up!
Ha 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 ha! You are so hot when you're slurping and angry.
We come back to the spaceship with the real brother and sister. What do you mean even Mom is drinking milkshakes?
I brought one back for her because
And she wasn't angry at the fact that you went down into Earth and she just took it willingly?
no, might have dropped it. They have drugs down there.
What do you
They make you see things.
like what? Just go into more
I
description.
saw cows that were purple.
Children!
She's not.
Children!
house, the initial house where the painting was. I just want to make sure what you said about the reptile on the roof with the aliens looking down. Well, okay, look, the reptile on the roof. Aliens, who you said, and I'm not going to argue with you. You think aliens exist. I don't. So you have that. Maybe I have this. Maybe you have your alien thing, and I have my eclectic art thing. What is it? What?
I'm just maybe just my opinion. I'm not trying to sway your opinion because opinions are up to you to have. What if we switch it? What if we put your art on the roof and bring the reptile down? Do you think that would decrease the number of alien abductions from confusion?
You want me to take the reptile statue that I bought off the roof, bring it down here, and then take that and put it on the roof? And that's going to stop alien abductions?
It's just an opinion. But it's really up to you. Totally free will. You don't have to listen to me.
No, I am listening, but I love you. Do you really think aliens exist?
A little bit.
I'm taking you back to our
We fucking hate reptiles!
How dare you be building this beautiful edifice inside and not showing the world?
And this cuts to the boy, 12-year-old boy, in his living room. This was all in his imagination that he just imagined that's what happened when the person bought the art. So that was just all in his head. But the 12-year-old boy is in school, and he's since he's 12. This is like we're actually in detention. We're both like we're just in detention. We got trouble. That's fucking tricky, man.
Yes. Watch your fucking language!
Sorry, Mr. Haskins.
Sorry.
That's rad though. I see you so you sold your painting to some dude, and that's what you think happened with that dude.
Yeah. Know it. However you
Whoa, dude, Candace just gave you a frosty. It's Candace. She's like kind of the coolest.
It says no talking, no. Doesn't say anything about shrooms and milkshakes. Jesus Christ, just drink the stupid frosty! Dr. Chalmers is.
The best thing in art class last week after 8 speaker drawing, so like beautiful.
We got to see what Candace at home. She's with her dad, and it's just like single dad, and he's trying to communicate. I'll put his dad for now. But you can come on and
Next time, Dad.
I'm just trying to communicate with you, Candace. Tell me what's going on at school. Tell me anything.
Your hair looks great, Dad. Did you get it cut this week? Wow.
Why are you looking like that? Are you?
Oh, my classes are baller. You know that. I go to the best public school. We've got this great art teacher, Dad.
Okay, tell me about our teacher.
Oh man, she's real cute, but she's got like these great figure drawers that come in, and I get to draw their beautiful bodies with your feet this week.
Okay, Wes. You're
Yeah,
communicating with
great
me.
ankles.
Okay, that's
Yeah, I like discovered how to move my charcoal quick, like while I'm watching, and I can just draw a whole foot just like this. I'm like the best drawer in my class, Dad.
Really?
Yeah, you should be real proud of me.
I am very proud.
You know, other kids had art classes for like decades. Give me an art class. Oh.
Candace.
Yeah, but I could draw like that glimmer of thread like really well, Male Dad. Wow.
Candace, are you?
Hey, Dad. Man, that haircut's really fun on you.
Candace, Really?
Yeah, you'd be really good at it.
You think it'd be good?
Yeah, just spend a couple hours every day just drawing your heart out.
We go back to Candace and attention. You see a little bit of her home life. Candace, can I ask you a question? Since you're a senior and we're just like, we're not even freshmen, we're like junior, 7th grade, do you think we're like nerds?
Man, I'm a nerd. That's why I'm here.
Yes.
My teachers are like, fuck you, you didn't show up.
Watch your fucking language!
My teachers were like, fuck you, you didn't show up to class on time. And I was like, in a period, and then fucking
I can't believe Candace is talking to us. Shit. Should we make fun of
you draw aliens, man. I can draw really good feet. I make some good feet paintings. Yeah, I'd look at a frog or something and draw it. It's on a person.
Candace is like so creative.
Make a lot of money.
I just saw my art on eBay and like Etsy. eBay sucks, but you gotta advertise on that. It's really Etsy.
Wait, say that again, Candace? You said what?
You sell your art on Etsy, but if you put it on your eBay, the advertising's better.
Keep it the fuck down!
Oh my god, I don't want another detention!
Ask her on a date.
Her feet holding too, man.
Feels like this. It's like not feeling, you know.
Nah, man, I think I'm crying.
Mark, this is your chance, man. You always talked about this.
You're like, you know how like you say you're on your feet, and like some people get swept off their feet and they're in the world.
Yeah!
Yeah. So like, imagine me drawing people sweeping me off the feet.
Yeah, you'd be great at that.
Would you like that?
Absolutely. When are we drawing, man?
Oh.
We cut to back to the art museum, so that the man who was initially talking to him is back again. But this is a new piece that he's looking at. Oh, also we all know that what happened was all in his imagination. It's painted another one. I was hoping you'd be back here. See, this is you being swept off your feet. This is young love. What is this?
You could call it that. I have a title for it.
What is your title again?
I don't know. It's like a big question mark in my head.
Well, that's what love is.
Yes.
Nobody really knows what it is. It's a feeling. You can't put words to it.
Yes.
I get you.
I'm getting me all at the same time. Finding out along the way, that's what it's all
Did
about.
I hear, young man, that your painting is called I don't know?
It's what he said, yes.
Like the subject matter can be very concrete, and yet,
I'll give you $100 for it.
yeah, like
He doesn't have more money than that, I bet.
You know what? I'm not going to one-up you or argue with you. I already have a piece of his hanging predominantly over my couch.
that's unfortunate.
So if you want it, you should take it.
Oh,
Well then, I guess here's $100.
I wasn't expecting it.
We cut to him at home. He's admiring the painting, so you can go say it's about this couch. He's sitting right here, looking at it. He's a single man, except for one cat.
Kitty, do you like the painting?
And just then, an alien from above beams in some type of language into my mind that allows me to talk. But you can't see this. You can't. Whatever she's like, she's cloaked and whatever. And whatever she says, I repeat. So ask your question. Do you like my artwork?